If you want to learn something, you go to the library, right? Well, what if it's something about gardening? Well, they got you covered.
Okay, so today we are lucky to have Nancy Schaefer with the Fort Bend Master Gardeners here to do a presentation on gardening for butterflies and hummingbirds. She brought two of her wonderful assistants with her and a fantastic display of caterpillars and examples of flowers to use in a butterfly garden.
The basics of butterfly gardening is simple, even obvious. No pesticides. Our little fluttery friends need water and shelter from the weather. And then you need nectar plants to attract the adults who will hopefully lay their eggs, and food for the larva or caterpillar. One of the things most folk won't consider is finding the ideal flower for the nectar plants, ones that actually provide landing platforms for the butterfly. Of course, those aren't the only ones they prefer, and many of these also work for bees and hummingbirds. Now, if what you are angling for is the monarch butterfly on its annual migration, you need to get specialized, because these picky little butterfly factories only eat milkweed. There are many local varieties. There are other butterflies that are common to the area that can add a touch of beauty to any day, and many tried and trusted methods to attract and help them, and bring more pollinators like bees and hummingbirds to your yard. For more information, you can go online to the Fort Bend Master Gardeners at fbmg.org.
Coming up, we have some fantastic programs, especially in July. We do have Popcorn and a Movie coming up on July 1st. That'll be at 1:30 p.m. On July 10th, we have our Crafty Creators program in the evening. They will be making, I believe, cupcake liner flowers. And then on July 13th, we have at 1:30 p.m. the Adult Summer Reading Lounge, where attendees can bring their favorite book, curl up, relax, and get away from the stress of life.
For Great American Pastimes, this is Randall Williams.